Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Bryton Rider 320. You might want to do this for a couple reasons. One, you might be having some troubleshooting issues, like it's not connecting, it's not collecting data properly, it's not connecting to the connected devices, not responding, stuff like that. Or another thing is you might be selling it, or you might just want to get a fresh start and have everything deleted off it. And so if that's what you want to do, we can do that. This is going to delete everything off it. Now this is also going to, any paired devices that send data to it or anything like that are also going to be unpaired, and you'll have to reconnect them after you do this. But if you want to do that, it's pretty easy to do. We're just going to go over to the manual and see the what you need to do. So you just need to basically go to the settings menu and then select general. And then from general, you'll scroll down to data reset and press the lap button to confirm it. And then from there, you'll just have to scroll down once to select yes to confirm it. And again, hit the OK to confirm it. And then it'll do the reset right there. Then you can just go hit the back button to go back out of the menu, and everything will be reset to its factory default settings.